Moving on, it's only been 8 months since Chennai-based SaaS major Freshworks got a new CEO. And his first interview with CNBC-TV18, Dennis Woodside, also made his first big prediction for the new year. He says SaaS pricing models will change in 2025. Jude Sanith caught up with the new Freshworks boss on the sidelines of the Chennai Marathon to talk to him about pricing, AI adoption, layoffs, and his passion for running. Here's a slice of that conversation.
We've been the sponsor for the Chennai Marathon, including the 10K. I think this is our third time, and it's really exciting for us to get out here, to be able to support Chennai. There's 25,000 people who are running today, which is amazing. We have about 300 of our own employees running, so I really had to be here.
Talk to me a little bit about the decision that you took. How difficult was it as a new CEO who's just come into the company to lay off 660 employees at the get-go? How challenging was that for you?
Yeah, well, I took the CEO role in May of last year, and one of the things that we needed to do is make sure we've got the right people, the right team to take the company forward. It's obviously a tough decision. I'm really excited about where we're going. We've got an amazing position in our EX product line, which serves the IT department. We've got a great position in customer support as well, and our AI products are doing really well. So we've got a really bright future, really excited.
What exactly lies ahead that you're really looking forward to in 2025?
So I believe that we can become one of the defining software companies in our space and a true global player. We have customers all over around the world. Over 70,000 companies use Freshworks to run their company, and that's everywhere in the world. The very first business that ever was a customer of Freshworks actually was from Australia. So we've been global from day one. That opportunity is huge. Every company in the world has to automate their service operations. They have to use AI. They have to automate their IT department. That's what we do. So our market is every company in the world. That's a huge opportunity for us.
But I'm just wondering, Dennis, what's the big challenge for you as a CEO here?
I think a lot of what we're trying to do at Freshworks is to provide a lot more value for our customers and solve bigger and bigger problems for them. So those customers tend to be much larger, and that requires us to grow up as a company to be able to serve more complex needs. So that's the real challenge for us. How do we serve those bigger and bigger companies that are looking to us to solve their problems?
What are those big challenges that you hope to get around?
Well, every company that we work with is talking about AI and is trying to figure out how do they use artificial intelligence to improve their interactions with their customers, to make their employees more productive. So we've done a great job of building AI products that the market is finding useful. We reported this in our last quarter in Q3. We had over 1,700 customers for our Freddy Copilot product, which makes agents more effective. So our job is to make every one of our companies, we have 70,000 customers. Not all of them are using AI, not all of them are comfortable with AI. That's what the opportunity is for us. That's what the challenge is for us.
Is there a timeline that you have for yourself in terms of when everybody will end up using AI?
I think in 2 or 3 years, the vast majority of our customers will be using AI.
All right. In fact, Sridhar Vembu of Zoho said there's just way too much SaaS going on, and that AI might lead to further productization on a scale and level that we haven't quite seen before. Do you foresee that being a problem that stares at you in the face at this time and place?
I think it's a real opportunity. So the traditional software as a service model is a seat license model. You pay a per agent price for the software. But with AI coming in, that's going to change. You're going to pay more on interactions. You're going to pay more on resolutions. And we're currently using a model for some of our products that's based on interaction. We're exploring resolution pricing as well. You're seeing some companies do that. So I think the pricing model will evolve and change, but the value to the end customer is going to be substantial, and that will enable us to build a big business.
All right. So while you see pricing models change, what's the one big trend that you look forward to in 2025 for the overall SaaS industry, AI included?
I think the 2024, AI for most companies was very new, and in software, we launched our first Copilot product into GA, general availability, just in February. So it hasn't been that long that we've been selling AI. In 2025, it's going to become much more mainstream. A lot of our customers are going to move into our AI products, and it's just going to be a way of doing business.
What kind of growth projections do you foresee or project as far as the SaaS industry is concerned in 2025?
Well, the industry has to provide value to customers, and that value can be improving the productivity of their workers. That value can be improving the customer satisfaction of their customers. So as long as we're doing that, there's going to be a lot of growth ahead of us. And the business is, as you said, quite large, already growing quite quickly.
All right. And would you hazard a projection in terms of how much the SaaS market will grow this year?
I haven't seen any projections. I know where we're going. I'm excited about our future. I think there's a lot of growth ahead for everybody in the market.
All right. And what's your one big prediction for 2025 overall that you could see change the game really in terms of SaaS?
Well, what we're working on is what we call agentic AI. So AI that can take actions on behalf of the customer. Think about if you need a return of a product that you want to ship back to the company that sold it to you. AI can handle all that. And so we're excited about agentic AI, enabling AI to do things on behalf of companies.